Today is the perfect day to be alive here in Bangkok, Thailand. Look behind me, that's Bangkok, Thailand. I am getting ready to go in and get me a gym workout. Speaking of workout, are you working your mind? I'm having one, I'm just gonna say it, a hell of a time and a hell of an experience here in Bangkok, Thailand. I think I'm gonna go do some sightseeing. It's time to go to Hua Hin. But as you can see, Pattaya, Phuket, I've been there all around Bangkok. Just booked the flight for Cambodia. Can't wait to show you that. It's time to reset the visa. But today is a beautiful day. Beautiful morning here in Bangkok, Thailand. You see the sky view behind me. It is amazing. What do you like about Thailand? What do you like about Bangkok? Where are you in the world? I want to come visit. Do me a favor, smash that like button. I have so many videos showing you South Beach, showing you Puerto Rico, Bangkok, Vietnam. Support me on the channel. I would really much appreciate it. Remember these two things before I go. Number one, Bangkok, Thailand is treating me well. I'm African American. I don't feel it. I just feel like a man here for once in my life. I just feel like a man. And number two, today is the perfect day to be alive. Doesn't it look perfect?